Turn. No, no, no. Oh, hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be doing BeamNG. Apart from, I've got the random parts randomizer again, but the thing is we're going to be randomizing our car because the AI is actually going to be hunting me down. So let's randomize. Okay, we got a Jeep, not the best. I'm just going to prove a point that this thing is not getting away from those cars behind me. Like, I know I need to give it a try, but it's not escaping. Like, this is a joke. All right, let's try. Wheels won't even move it. Yeah, we're dead. Yeah. Wait, not yet. How am I escaping the AI? Yeah. There goes that car. Oh, tires are gross. I think we're gonna try that again. That's just, yep. Every single time you reset it, it just. Oh, I need to pause the game because they're gonna be charging at me right now. Every single time you just spawn this thing in, I like how the back wheel just proceeds to fall off. So let's give that another try. Okay. Wendover, not bad. Bit of a boat, but I mean, it'll be alright. Please, no square wheels. Okay, that's better than square wheels. I understand there's a couch on the top of it, but it's better than it was. Okay, I'm not going to get rid of this. I'm just going to minimize it. But let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, make a turn here. Oh no, the AI's over here. Okay. Well, I don't think they. Hold on. Oh no, there's one definitely coming from me. Great. Oh, he hit me. Already hit me. So this is basically police chases, but the opposite way. I was about to say, is this thing powerful? It's got like a intercooler down there, the red thing. Kind of zippy. Big down. Right. Okay, turn. Oh, good move. Okay, this is good move. Right. No! We have got a bullbar in front. Oh, no. Our car's already cooked. I think they got me. Okay, well, we're gonna give that another try. Yeah, I'm gonna randomize my vehicle. Oh no, that wasn't actually randomizing the vehicle, that was randomizing the parts. Sorry about that. Okay. Moment of truth. Not bad. Oh, it looks slow. Okay. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, this thing's very slow. This thing's a boat. This thing's slow. What is this interior? This thing does not. What? I want to run that again. But this thing does not turn. Okay, now I know to avoid turn. Let's get on the highway since that does not have many turns. My wheel was just locked there and it wasn't turning. That's insane. Okay, 50 miles an hour. I need to make a turn here, so I need to brake a little bit. I hear squeaking brakes. Are the brakes already fading on this thing? Also, desktop audio is enabled. It's not super loud because I want you guys to be able to hear me still. But yeah, it should be enabled. If not, sorry, but I am more than sure it's enabled. Okay. We're not doing bad actually. This is pretty good. Once you get on the straightaway, it's not bad. We're going like 90 right now. It's almost 100 now. Try and turn. they're trying to get me. At least I think. Are they even trying? Let's just make a point. Oh, yeah. You guys even trying? I'll just this guy real quick. Targeting me anymore? Oh yeah, no, they're definitely targeting me still. God, he's about to get in the drive. Let me go. Don't! I knew that was going to happen. Go. I need to like try to escape them, and I think I know how to escape. I'm gonna go for a pause because I'm lost in the Excuse me. Turn! Okay, my wheel is upside down. Okay, I'm just trying to do the unexpected. Okay. Stop. Okay, we're good. All good. Oh no. Okay. No, I need to turn. No, that's... Gosh darn it. So, what do we learn? Don't go fast. Also, this thing turns like a ball. Yeah, I think you got me. Is the engine working? It goes into drive, it shifts into drive, but it doesn't actually drive. I think it's broken. Alright, well, we're going to try that again. Okay, I forgot to, that's my fault, I forgot to. Move out the way real quick. Oh, I need to pause the game real quick. Cough. Oh, I'm inside this car. Okay, let me fix that. I'm just going to give myself the... Oh, we're floating. Well, that's fine, don't worry. Van. Really? Actually, it might be alright if we get a good config. Saying we're going to get a good config. This is not a very good config, but... Engine disabled. Yeah, you got me. Right. Need to try that again. Okay. Very questionable, but still. Hopefully it runs. Yes, it does. But this is slower than anything. Might be good for offloading. Yeah, they do. We haven't got enough nitrous, but I'm not going to activate it because I know the nitrous sometimes blows the motor. If like there's too much of an injection of nitrous, and a lot of the time it is. Okay, off to a great start. Barely even turn. Well, it wasn't barely even turning. That was quite sharp turning, and I just lost control. Happened to lose control, and now. Okay, I get the point. I'm trying to talk here. Okay. Let's try it again. A pigeon. It's a race pigeon, though. This is not gonna. I can already see the tires are flat. This is not gonna work. Where's the power? Yep, we're not getting anywhere. Let me do that again. I'm not taking small trucks anymore because I know what's gonna happen. Okay, randomize the parts now. Actually, it's okay. I'll take it. Let's go. God, they're after me. Oh, I think jump it. I see the air. Oh, this is fast. I can see the air. Turn before he gets to me. I almost hit something there. I literally almost hit the barrel. This does not turn. All of it. trying to get me, they just don't work at high speed, really, do they? Oh no, not bad. Okay, my wheel's like half cycle, but it's still moving. No, this is a good conflict, leave me. I wanna run that again. Even I know I'm not gonna get anywhere. Okay, my wheel is not going to move backwards anymore. I'm gonna try and get to the top of the mountain with this one. And see if they come up. I don't know if they probably will come up. Come up the mountain. There's only really one way. Okay, I'm waiting for the air. Oh, yeah, fine. Oh, it was actually just a scrap on the back bumper. I thought we were actually gonna like wreck this skiing, but we didn't. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna keep driving here. I'm going to be able to get to the top of the mountain. It's like over and under, so just letting you do it. I'm going to do a lap back on myself to get there, so I'm going to turn around here. Yep. Yeah, braking. Yeah, do turn around. Yeah. Oh, well, we shattered the windshield. Not the windshield, the window, but yeah. I keep saying turn like it's going to do it. Okay, we're going to get to the top of the mountain soon. Oh, no. Okay, I'm just going to brake. Oh, because now there's going to be AI coming from behind us. They're going to start spawning in behind. Think fast. Oh, that just... No! That just burst our tyre. Yeah, we've got a flat tyre now. Don't go up this way, and we're going to go up this way to smack our smart ones. Get out. Wait, this thing's good for off-road. Oh, not with the best time. Oh my god. They're gonna come up. Oh, he... That was embarrassing. I just saw him hit the curb there. Wait, we're gonna park it here. We park it here. Park it here. Park it here. No! Parking brake. Oh my... They're still... Okay. Turn... Disable. Oh my goodness. Turn to other side. Now I'm very vulnerable. Yeah. No, not that. Oh, goodness me. No! Oh god. I'm just getting bashed around right now. But it's still dry, so... Okay. We might be alright. No, we're not alright, no. Okay. No, turn. No, turn. We're alright, turn. We're alright if we turn. We're alright if we turn. Oh, we're just not feeling it. Right, well, I think that's it for this car. Right, we're gonna do that again. No, right vehicle. Oh, I need to press J because that guy is coming for me. Hold on. I have an idea. Oh, he messed up. He's alright. I was gonna node him and fling him to space, but no. We're not doing that. Okay. the wheels are so tiny, there's actually no point. I mean, you might say there is a point. Well, this is good. I feel like I should... It's like lean. Oh, when you press the brake, it just... That did not go very well. This car would be a lot... I don't think I get a point there. We're gonna do that again. We not have many successes. I wanna... Like, I feel like it's impossible to escape them. So this is just for pure fun, really. But, yeah. Let's just randomize parts. It's not bad. Oh, this is bad. You know it's bad when the tyre just goes up. It's bad tyre. I mean, we've got... Actually, this has got power. Oh no. Yeah, I thought you were actually going to swerve, but you decided not to. Did I just mess up the steering? I don't think I did this time, actually. Oh, it does not turn these like little tiny things. It's got power. It's got power. Actually, good power. Okay. When I say actually a good car, it's just my drive. Because this one's actually a good car. I just want to run it again. See, I want to see if I can skip. And like the police, you can skip them, but I don't think you can skip the coming for you, coming after you forever, basically. Alright, we're running it again. The wheel spin is insane, but I mean, apart from that, this is like pretty powerful. I'm like, that was like flooring it when the wheel spin was happening, so I guess fair enough. But, it's not AI coming from behind, no there isn't. Yeah, but... It's horrible. I think I'm gonna go for the top. That's too bad. I think we need to follow the speed limit still though. So I think we're good. Oh! Oh, he clipped me. He sent me out. Well, this takes us out on the highway. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself one more chance. If I get to the top of the mountain, that is an escape. There was no escape point, but I'm adding one just for this round. See if I'm not an incompetent driver. I'm gonna keep driving. This is probably gonna be the last one as well. Maybe not. He's coming from behind. Yeah, it's not there. Which means it's also near the end of the video. You know what? It's okay if you get a good config, like, well, not config, random part. I'll take it. Oh, I forgot to. Oh, 'Wait, this has the off-road tires in the front. this is like good for getting over curves because it has those off-road tires on the front. This is like the perfect for pure rounding, I suppose. It's like actually our first good car. I'm probably just going to go too fast. Don't explode the front tires because I know those are probably off-road tires and they probably can't go as fast as your 100. I think we're just gonna like explode. I think we're going so fast it can't slow. I just saw him turn his tires towards me, but like the car didn't turn quick enough. Oh, the worst part about this thing is the brakes. He just went straight on that. Stop to get me. Doing pretty good. I might save this config in my game because I think this is a pretty good config I'm gonna like. The random parts config. I thought this thing had good offload capability. Oh! Okay. I think I'm gonna run that again. I keep saying I want to run that again. Like, no, this is actually seriously good content. And I'm confident I'm going to win. Oh, we just clipped him. I was looking over there. I was looking here, but I didn't look over here. So the AI just got me. Alright, we're running it again. I keep saying that. Seriously. I think it's fair that you get like a few balls. Because like it's... Excuse me, what on earth was that? I've never seen that. Never seen that. That AI was just pushing his... Like, what's on earth? Did he lose it or something? Oh, yeah. I just lost it. We don't need to run it again. Yeah, we need to run it again. This is like the 5th time already. I'm gonna get away. I'm gonna get away this time. And he gets to top of that mountain. I like how that's just a new rule, like I've always seen before. This way. Just touch it. Spins you out. Oh, I need to try that again. It keeps saying on and on again. And I'm sorry about that. This is like serious. That lasted like 2 seconds. All you're watching right now is just me doing chaos. Like, I'm not even trying. That's what it looks like I am. Yep. Oh, don't want to be a part of that. No, that's power break. No, oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry. Get away from me. I need to get out of here. You can use nodes. Oh god. A lot of people should probably not trust this video because it's just pure crashing. No, he's after me. I could have easily avoided that. Could have easily just get myself trapped in this situation. Oh, the tunnel's this way. What am I doing? The tunnel's actually this way. I feathered the front of my head. I was like, I like this at the start. Yeah, I like it for speed. It's going to spin around and do like the symbols. In the tunnel, and that's like the worst thing. I had not shown the trick. So I'm going to use this to get past most of the way now. Do you need to break a bit? to like start breaking it. It's just there. Okay, I see the entrance to it, but how are we going to get in? Well, no, it's not the engine room. Not the engine room. Spun out. Okay. I think this is just oh, keep it quiet, keep the engine quiet, keep the engine quiet. Oh, they see me alright, yeah. Yeah, well, we'll just slowly do it. You know what? Cough, cough. Wait, this is the wrong oh no, oh, over here. Cough, cough. It's fine. We're up here now. Alright. Well, oh, there's a stop sign under that. Alright, well I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe because it helps me out. But thank you for watching. That's it. Goodbye, guys.